something that I want to show you before it goes to Sundowns, right? LS2. The bad defending a Ovid. Okay, let me not say bad defending. Maybe I can say the bad structure sabo, defensive structure. Watch la move la. Okay, let me take it back. So this is the new guy, ne? Focus on him as well. His movement off the ball or in the box. Ball goes wide. La, had he crossed the ball first time, he was free. You have two guys abangamakwanga la. So this is a center back. Ufocus la. Uyekela striker. Okay, ball goes back. Siakali strike. But this is always dangerous when you have someone omude as a striker and then ayagu left back or ayagu right back emfishane. It is a problem because if mina ngimude kunawe or vice versa, mabalidlala phezulu ibhola, you are going to win it or I'm going to win it. The person who's taller in most cases, right? The ball goes back, it's still two Sundowns players here unmarked. Yes, previously Lobegala, you know, but this guy is what is ball watching. Let me take it back. The left back is ball watching. Liaphambili ball watching. There was a bad cross. 30 seconds later, here comes the goal. Seconds later, here comes the goal. You can't have umuntu omfishane ama kumuntu omude. You are going to cry. Good cross, good header. But Ovid nje mara shame bafethu.